Hey friends, today I am reviewing a softbox light from the NEEWER. So they introduced this light with the 100-watt LED. I am reviewing the very straightforward, the outside materials stuff. So I received a very perfect and well packing box. So all the things was really perfect packing. So this is the soft box. There is a 1, 2, 3 parts. All the side and the fabric are really very perfect and qualityful. And also I received this is the protector and another lighting stuff and also a remote. So this remote is really very nice. Yeah, so this light have inside noiseless cooling fan, and also you can move it like 180-degree angle. So I think so in this way, and yeah, so the knob for moving stuff, making tight is really very easy, and it's like very straightforward thing. So you just put it there, so anyone can assemble this one. So let's see how the lighting is. So adding with this stand, this is very easy. One more thing is like for assembling this part. Yeah, so there have a small knob. You just press it down and like push this knob, then it's fixed. So here if we press, yeah, there, and like move a little bit right, then it's lock. So yeah, and let's test the lighting. So there is a, this is the maximum light, this is the minimum light, this is the minimum light. So this lighting is fair enough. As a content creator, I already made some videos for my YouTube channel. It's perfect. So and this from the height from 90 centimeter till 200 centimeter, I can show you. So yeah, so this is the right condition for doing my videos. Yeah, and the very good thing is when you put it down, it will not gonna straight fall down, because they put under this part they put some spring. So when it comes near here, then it's bouncing. So it's this part I really like. It's really a very perfect lighting for making videos and so on. So and backside, if you do not want to use this remote, you can increase or decrease the lighting power by this volume. So is that, yeah, so that's very pretty straightforward. So and also I got this cover for keep this soft box inside. So and one thing I found, this cost of this soft box lighting, its cost is like 200 euro, but it's a bit higher. So the rest of the thing I found really very good, recommended to buy. Thank you.